All right, in this video, I want to talk about framing a shot. I came upon this chewed tree trunk when I was riding south on the towpath, just south of the Wilbeth trailhead. And I want to talk about ways to frame this shot. So one would be to center that tree trunk, okay, and fire off the shot. And what that does is it presents it to the viewer very straight. They can't miss it. We see a lot of foreground, which is pretty nice. I might also consider trying to fill the foreground, okay, and place that trunk up towards the top so that it becomes kind of a focal point for the viewer, all right? But I think in this example, we see that our eye is pulled right down into this foreground, and it's hard to get the viewer to look up at the tree, and it kind of awkwardly crops at the top. I think my best bet is to take advantage of some of the sky, which is gorgeous today, and this really nice collection of twigs and limbs that are exploding up and around this tree trunk. So what I'm going to do is place the chewed trunk right at the intersection of that grid line, which we know from the rule of thirds is a focal point. Okay, it's a natural place for viewers to look. I'm going to try to get as much of the reflection in as possible, because what that's going to do is create leading lines. All of these perspective lines lead back to the tree trunk. Now the exposure is not perfect. We lose a lot in the shadows, and I think we could maximize the information that's down in this reflection, but we'll do that in another video where I show you some editing techniques.